What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So right now I'm about to get into this collaboration between Scru Face Jean and Easy Mill. It's called Righteous and Ratchet. So let's get to it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the...
So basically he set it up like he was about to do a reaction video, I'm guessing.
Hello?
Table all shaking.
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's showing up candy. Righteous in the broken land. Quit all of that cheating and none of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet.
They made a drill record, huh?
We can be righteous and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people in the storm. We can be righteous and ratchet. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap, look at top hats. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The mental ain't full of snakes. I got a tongue full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run around with it. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm billing y'all bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up your block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking this $1 on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS assigned to deliver.
You see the little the overlay they got? It's kind of like that of a heat wave, and it actually is hot as hell out in Vegas, which is where this is shot at. That's funny.
Like your homies rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
None of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people in storm. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey,
shit up, get stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a bullet of soul. See y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she.
See, y'all see an angel, but none of y'all know. None of y'all know about the other side that'll come out if you play with me, pretty much.
Hit me up and she beg for the pole.
so ready and go, and I said it before. They snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house, then I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Screwing that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells to they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and to set up your store.
Quit all of that cheating, all of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people in storm. We can be righteous and ratchet.
Village Boy, the album. This is cool. Oh, so this been in the works for a minute then, huh? I really appreciate how Scru thought everything out properly in this anticipated collaboration. From being discontented in releasing an audio version only or a lyric video of this video, so he flew all the way to Las Vegas to shoot this music video, assuming that he has something to do too with their matching outfit style, since he was the one who went there. And most especially the dance moves he clearly taught Easy so they could finally dance together. Also, he shared that he really wanted and pushed Easy to showcase his vocals in their song, reacted to most of Easy's songs by now too, so he's already familiar and heard Easy's featured song, so he decided to do a different style with the alternate rapping and with them rapping together at the end. But the most important of all, clearly having fun and making the video, meeting up with Easy finally, and making history they say in Vegas even more memorable. Yeah, like at the beginning of the video, he like kicked his legs up his shit. That was funny. That was funny. Let's see. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Whiny slashy. I mean, at certain parts, it did kind of seem a bit muffled. Yep, that's manifestation, right? When you talk about something enough to where it finally happens. If they started spitting their native languages. Oh Lord, here people go trolling in the comments. But this is pretty cool. It was dope that they was actually able to, you know, come together and make a record. Because I do believe Scru Face was one of the first ones that was doing the Easy Mail records, from what I've seen. So shout out to both of them. Shout out to both of them. But that's going to pretty much do it for my reaction. As always, I appreciate you all for tuning in. Before you guys go, be sure to drop a like and a comment below. What you guys think about the collaboration? Other than that, until the next one, peace.